The jurors in Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's bombshell defamation trial came back with a question Tuesday as they continued deliberations in the high-profile case. The 7-person panel was confused about one of 8 questions it needs to answer as it determines whether Heard defamed her ex-husband when she wrote a Washington Post op-ed in 2018 describing herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. The question was whether they found the headline of the op-ed, which read, "I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath," to be false. Judge Penny Ascarate told a Fairfax, Virginia court just before 2 p.m. that the jury was asking if the question related to just the headline itself or the entire op-ed. She said she would instruct the jurors that they were to consider the headline and not the op-ed as a whole. In addition to the headline, jurors have been asked to consider whether 2 phrases within Heard's op-ed defamed the Pirates of the Caribbean star. In the first passage of her op-ed, Heard wrote that, and I quote, "2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath." In the second passage, the Aquaman actress wrote, "I had the rare vantage point of seeing in real time how institutions protect men accused of abuse." According to the verdict form given to jurors, the jury has to consider whether the headline and the passages were about Depp. If they are false, whether each of them has a defamatory implication and whether Heard intended for it to smear her ex-husband. Jurors also have to weigh if Heard acted with actual malice, which requires clear and convincing evidence that he either knew what she was writing was false or that she acted with reckless disregard for the truth. The jury must come to a unanimous decision for the verdict in Depp's $50 million case. Texas civil lawyer Catherine Elizabeth said it was too early to infer which way the jury was leaning, but the question appeared to be advantageous towards Depp's case. Helene Danidina, a former California judge and current criminal defense attorney, told the Post that the question from the jury showed they were honing in on specific elements of defamation. Well, let us know which side you're on and share it in the comments, and also share this news and support us through subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching.